Nancy, I want to ask you a question. Nimewahi kufollow FB, sama on YouTube. Nimeona advices unapeana concerning relationships. Sasa I was just asking, how many tribes have you dated so far?
Actually 2.
2.
Yeah.
Which one and which one? I know you must be dating a Luo. A Luo guy, that is number 1.
Yes, Luo. That is number 1. Then a lawyer.
A lawyer.
I've tried that.
And you've weighed. Your first was before you date a Luo. You were dating a lawyer, or before you dated a lawyer?
I started with the Luo.
With a Luo.
Yeah.
Ukaenda kwa mlawyer.
Yeah.
Ndio uko nayo kwa sasa?
No.
Uko na Mjaluo. So umeai weigh.
Yeah.
So tell me.
According to experience, Kenya naweza sema women are the best. These guys, as in venye wanapeana mapenzi, I can't even explain. They are good people, romantic, and I can't compare na lawyer man. Because the guy was dating, I never enjoyed that much. You see, then we took last for long getting. So ulikuwa unapata like lawyer man, they are after something which maybe like unapata anataka ukuje unampikia hapo ugali anakula, then anamaliza na wewe like hata time yenye hauna hiyo feeling, you see. Then they have a lot of yani ile mapenzi real hawajui kupeana. I don't know whether the guy I got was low or all of them, but the one I had, no.
Was a no.
Was a no
to you,
to me. So I can't explain more about them.
So here, when I want to get a lawyer, unaweza niambia niachane nayo kabisa?
I can't advise you achane nayo sababu maybe the one I got was different. Unaona, maybe unaweza pata mwingine somebody who is better than the other one. Unaona, so it depends with the love and feelings and all that and trust. Unaona, maybe utapata mluya mwenye anakupenda.
What do we want in a relationship? For example, we ladies, for our relationship to last, it is money. Money, maybe, and good sex, right?
Yeah, but money according to you, that is according to me.
Mercy. Money, mwanamke mwenye akupei pesa wale hakuna penye mnaendana, hata kama unampenda vipi lazima tu utamcheat. Okay, utakuwa unampenda lakini unamcheat.
That is true.
But that is not advisable.
Yeah, it is not advisable.
So, money first.
Money first, but I can't say money first because unaweza pata situation whereby mko na pesa, you have everything, but respect is not there. Utapata like your relationship ina fall, but pesa iko. So before uangalie pesa, angalia ile trust na respect, moyo, hati ya mtu. So long as hati ya mtu, as in so long as mtu amekupenda, unajua hata kama pesa hakuna, pesa itakuja tu, atakupea tu, yani like atakupea rauni like unaharibu pesa. Jua nakupea, you have that peace of mind. You just know that Charles loves me, Vinny loves me. Yani you are just happy about the guy, unaona. Katoko mi, sorry, usikiki jalo. Okay, fine. So I think umeelewa kitu najaribu kusema.
Yeah, I'm understanding you.
Yeah. So unapata like though pesa nowadays unajua ladies depend on money too much.
Yeah.
Hawajali relationship. That's why unapata like our young men wanakuwa disappointed too much.
And there is where you get the young ladies wanaenda kwa wababa.
Yeah,
because of money.
Yeah, because of money.
And that is what is trending right now.
Na hiyo ndio kitu yenye naua wasichana.
So I was planning to date a lawyer man. He's so romantic, by the way.
Maybe you have one. Maybe you have experience. That's why you're
No, I don't have experience. That's why I came up with the discussion concerning the Luo man and the lawyer man. So I'm almost getting there. Sijaingia.
There is someone you are targeting.
Yeah, I'm targeting somebody somewhere. But sasa sijui. So that's why I came up with
that idea.
The idea of between Luo men and Luya men, because I've dated Luo men, but
you met the wrong person then.
No.
Yeah, because what I can say, Mimi, I've dated a Luo guy, but I've been so happy
in your relationship.
Yeah, I've been so happy. Hizo ups and downs zenye watu semanga Luo men are sijui humanizer.
They are not.
I don't think. Maybe mine is cheating me. I don't know.
Maybe.
But I don't want to. I don't want to know, because nikijua italeta shida.
So, naweza juaje huyu kijana ananipenda? Okay. For example, Mimi, he keeps calling me. I didn't want to end before he calls me, he texts me. I don't ask
for money. Anakutumia tu.
He does. Anafikiria tu na anafanya.
You
This is a lawyer man and not a Luo man.
Oh, you are lucky. Then you are lucky.
Like seriously.
Then you are lucky, because getting a man mwenye anakutumia pesa bila kuomba, it is not easy. Unless otherwise. Maybe there is something you are giving this guy.